Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and we're going to show you a neat feature that we've got on our website. So if you go to impresscomputers.com and then you're going to click on this area here, Build a PC. And now you can customize the computer depending on whether you want it for gaming, for AutoCAD, or if you just want a high-end multi-monitor computer. So the first thing that you want to do is choose a processor, and you're going to decide, okay, whether you want to go AMD, i5, i7, or the new i9. For example, let's click on the new i9-9900. You'll see it's going to add it to this section over here. And then it's going to say, okay, you're going to need a liquid cooler. So you can go ahead, choose which liquid cooler you want, and you're going to see that price is starting to go up. And these are now the motherboards that are compatible with the processor that you've chosen. So you choose your motherboard, then you can get to decide you want 16, 8 or 32 gigs of RAM, and you can go ahead, select your RAM, and then select which case you would like your custom build to be in. This Corsair Carbide is one of the most common ones, and then you choose which is going to be your primary drive. You notice these are all M2 SATAs, the new fastest, but you can also go with the new black NVMe, high speed or high performance, and that's going to jump you up from about 500 megabits per second to 3.8 gigabits. So click on that, and then if you need an extra drive for storage, you can add 1, 2, 3 or 4 terabytes for storage. And then if you're using it for gaming, you've got a choice of gaming, AutoCAD or multi-monitor. In this particular case, if he's i9, he's probably going to be a gamer, and we're going to say, okay, let's go ahead with the GTX 1080 Ti. If you choose gaming, it'll offer you the gaming keyboard, so you can select which gaming keyboard and which mouse you want, and then the power supply is designed to run your video card if you want 1000 or the 1300, and then which UPS would actually go with that, because you shouldn't have a gaming machine without a UPS. And then whether you want Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. If it's a home machine, go with Home. If you need to connect it to a server, choose Pro. And if you need an antivirus, and if you need Office. And if you'd like us to build it, you can click on that, and you've got the price of your custom gaming machine. All done within less than a minute, and you can build your custom gaming machine. If you're still not sure, come into the store, speak to Marl and Josh or Roy, and we'll get you fixed up.